If you want to send an email blast with GetResponse, but don't want to waste time figuring it out, I'll show you exactly how to do it fast. But before you hit send, there's one thing you must get right, or your emails might not even reach your audience. Stick around and I'll explain. First, log into GetResponse and go to Email Marketing. Click Create Newsletter. This is where you'll set up your blast. You'll choose a campaign name, only visible to you, and select a sender email. If you haven't verified your domain yet, do that first, because unverified emails often land in spam. Next, choose your recipients. You can send to your entire list or a specific segment based on tags, behavior, or engagement. This is important. Blasting emails to everyone without segmentation, that's a quick way to tank your open rates. Now for the email itself. GetResponse gives you three options: drag and drop editor, HTML, or plain text. The drag and drop builder is easy, but can sometimes add unnecessary code, making emails load slower or get flagged. Plain text is clean but lacks branding. If you want better deliverability, stick to simple, mobile-friendly designs. Once your email is ready, optimize your subject line. GetResponse has a built-in A/B testing feature, so you can test two subject lines to see which one performs better. Never skip this. A bad subject line means your email won't even get opened. Before sending, check the spam score. GetResponse will tell you if your email has deliverability issues. If it's too high, tweak your email, remove excessive images, avoid spam trigger words, and ensure your links are working. Finally, schedule or send now. If your audience is global, use perfect timing, which delivers emails when each subscriber is most likely to open. This feature works, but it's not always 100% accurate, so if your results seem off, try sending at a fixed time instead and compare. Now, about that crucial mistake, *** sending without warming up your email list. *** if you haven't emailed your audience in a while, start with smaller batches before blasting thousands at once. Otherwise, email providers might mark you as spam. GetResponse is solid, but it's not perfect. While it's great for automation and ease of use, it can be pricey for scaling and lacks advanced deliverability controls compared to some competitors. That's why we've included an exclusive and extended free trial for the best alternative, along with GetResponse's own trial in the description. These options give you more flexibility, better deliverability, and cost-saving features. Check them out below, and let me know in the comments if you need more tips.